जिन्होंने बेसरन घाटी में हमारे प्रवासियों को, नागरिकों को मारा था, ये तीनों आतंकवादी ये थे और तीनों मारे गए।
India has avenged Pahalgam. 3 months after 26 lives were lost in one of Kashmir's deadliest terror attacks, justice has been delivered. In a high-intensity, lightning-fast striking Operation Mahadev, Indian forces eliminated all 3 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists, including the butcher behind it all, Hashim Musa, alias Suleiman Shah.
ये जो सुलेमान है, ए श्रेणी का लश्कर तोयबा का कमांडर था। पहलगाम हमले में और गगनगिर आतंकी हमले में वो लिप्त था। इसके ढेर सारे सबूत हमारी एजेंसियों के पास है।
But how did Indian forces track down these killers? How a Chinese radio gave away the mastermind, and why was the mission named Mahadev? The hunt began after the Pahalgam massacre, which led to the killing of 26 innocent people. Ever since then, forces were on high alert, combing for any lead. Now, their breakthrough came when they got a clue about a Chinese radio communication device being active. The active Chinese ultra radio was the same type that was apparently used by Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists in planning the 22nd April attack. Just 2 days ago, the device was switched on again. Its signals led forces to Dashigam forest, aided by local nomad inputs. Once the terrorists were located, the security personnel launched a drone at 8 am on 28th of July to get the first visual of the terrorists. At 9:30 am, the Rashtriya Rifles, the Army's counter-insurgency force in Jammu and Kashmir, along with Rashtriya Rifles troops and Para-Special Forces commandos ascended on the Mahadev Hill. In just 30 minutes, the Para-Commandos did a visual identification of the terrorists. At exactly 11 am, shots were fired and all 3 terrorists were hit in the first burst of fire. At 11:45 am, one terrorist who was injured attempted to escape, but he was eliminated later. 45 minutes later, a cleansing operation was launched in a 2-kilometer radius of the encounter site. At 12:45 pm, the bodies of the terrorists were identified and photographed. This right here, the picture that you see on your screens right now.
आज मैं सदन को बताते हुए बहुत खुश हूं। मोदी जी ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कर आतंकवादियों को जिन्होंने आतंकवादियों को भेजा था, उनके आकाओं को जमीन में मिलाने का काम किया था। सेना और सीआरपीएफ ने वो आतंकवादियों को भी समाप्त कर दिया।
Hours after the operation, the 3 slain terrorists were identified as Hashim Musa alias Suleiman, widely regarded as the mastermind behind the Pahalgam attack. The other 2 have been identified as Yasir and Abu Hamza. All 3 of them were foreign nationals affiliated with Pakistan-based terror outfit, Lashkar-e-Toiba. The security forces not only recovered several weapons such as US-made carbines and AK-47, but they also recovered Pakistan-made chocolates, voter IDs and several food utensils. Looking at the equipment and arrangement, it looks like they were planning something very big again. The name wasn't just random. The mission site, Mahadev Peak, part of Kashmir's sacred Suburban Range. It is believed to be on the mythical route to the Amarnath cave. Symbolic, spiritual and strategic. The symbolism ran deep, intertwining the strategic and spiritual, a powerful message that the guardians of the land were reclaiming it. As visuals from the operation flash across screens, the smoke, the seized weapons, the still bodies of terrorists, one thing is clear. This was more than just a tactical win. It was closure. It was a warning. It was a justice delivered with silence and steel. As Home Minister Amit Shah said, terror has no place in India. With Operation Mahadev, India made sure of it.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.